How to fix Samsung F36 randomly shuts off. So let's start the video. First of all, check your volume and power keys because it can suddenly pressed while using the hard case of your phone. So firstly, check your volume and power keys. After that, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option device care. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on auto optimization and then click on auto restart. And if you turn on these buttons, then turn it off. After turn off these buttons, then go back and click on general management and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and again click on reset settings. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.